Assalamu alaikum, I'm your host, Nadia Khan. You are watching Nambardar TV.
APNA, which stands for All Pakistan Nambardar Association, aims to. The goals of APNA are multifaceted. First and foremost, it seeks to unite and empower Nambardars across Pakistan. It also promotes the welfare and interests of the Nambardar community. Additionally, APNA supports and develops the role of Nambardars in community leadership and representation. It fosters collaboration and coordination among Nambardars, government officials and other stakeholders. Moreover, APNA advocates for the rights and benefits of Nambardars. It provides training, capacity building and resources for Nambardars. Celebrating the achievements and contributions of Nambardars is also a key focus. Furthermore, APNA promotes community development, education, and awareness initiatives. Lastly, it works to strengthen the voice and influence of Nambardars on national and international platforms. By achieving these aims, APNA seeks to make a positive impact on the lives of Nambardars and the wider community, and to contribute to the betterment of society as a whole.